Jai Srimanarayana, 38th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tataha yuddhaya युज्यस्व नैवं पापम् अवाप्स्यसि ॐ. Constantly be prepared to perform your own duty while considering gain and loss, pleasure and pain, victory and defeat as the same. Thus, you shall not incur any papam. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall always be prepared to perform my own duties while considering pleasure and pain, gain and loss, victory and defeat as the same. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातराजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vaivasvata Manu's youngest son, Kavi, he also did tapasya and attained Paramapadam. And Manu's other son, his name is Kurusha. From his Karusha, the dynasty came out. All the people belongs to Karusha are very righteous kings. And Vaivasvata Manu's other son is Dhrushta. From his Dharshtam, that dynasty came out. And other son of Vaivasvata Manu is Nruga. He got Sumati and other sons. Sumati got Bhutajyoti. Bhutajyoti got Vasu as sons. And Vasu's son is Pratika. Pratika's son is Voghavana. Voghavana's son is also Voghavana. And this Voghavana got one daughter, Voghavati. There is one person, Sudarsana, he married Voghavati. And Vaivasvata Manu's other son is Narishyanta. Narishyanta son is Chitrasena. Chitrasena's son is Ruksha. Ruksha's son is Midvana. Midvana's son is Purna. Purna's son is Indrasena. Indrasena's son is Vitihotra. Vitihotra's son is Satyashrava. Satyashrava's son is Urushrava. Urushrava's son is Devadatta. Devadattaha tataha abhavat. He gave birth to Devadatta. Devadatta's son is Agnivesya. From Agnivesya there is one Brahmana Vamsam. Agnivesyayanam. That Brahmana Vamsam came out. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 38th sloka. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papamavapsyasi. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papamavapsyasi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.